the recent project that we're working on. You can see how that's all cut out underneath there, underneath the wings. With this 500 milliamp 2-cell battery, this plane is 6.7 ounces. It has a, what is the wingspan? 30, I think it's a 32 inch. Very much like the Hawk style wing, a little bit bigger ailerons, and I haven't put the tape yet on these parts of the wing and the stab because I'm just going to try and hang it, so we won't need that for flying. So that's how she is. All these micro stuff. Little 7-gram E-Flight servos. I haven't even glued them in yet.
Docile, as far as I think it's going to be a real nice slow flyer. Full power.
Okay.
No throttle.
It's for indoors. It's supposed to be docile and, you know, doing that kind of stuff, right? More of a flying airplane rather than just a hovering airplane. Man, I got a lot of crap laying around here.
I think this is what you use for indoor flyers.
I'm going to have to do some taping.
Fly awesome.
Okay, we're going to settle out for now and maybe try a little bit of stringing just to see what that does. A piece of carbon there and just string it up here, string it down there, and here to there, and that way hopefully keep that nice and solid, because when it lands, you know, in the house, if you're flying it like that, well, you can see it's a problem. Anyway, whatever. That's it.